Okay. So for this, they have given an activity in your textbook. Okay. Perform this activity with the help of your parents. So what you have to do is take a bottle and top of this, for this bottle lid, tie a balloon. Okay. Take two bottles and tie balloons for both the bottles and keep these two bottles in separate containers like this. Fill one container with cold water and another container with hot water. Okay. For one container cold water and for another container hot water. So after some time you will observe that the water that is kept in hot water container, in this the balloon swells up. Okay. It blows up. That is because when you fill hot water to this, the air that is present in this bottle will be heated up. Because of this hot water, the air heats up. As the hot air is lighter, it moves upward and it fills in the balloon so that it blows the balloon. Clear? And here no changes because this cold air, it is not lighter, so it will stay there itself. So by this you can observe that hot air is lighter, so it rises up. Clear? Same thing happens in the nature. So that is sun's heat heats up the land. Okay, sunlight heats up the land in the nature. So this is the land. When the sunlight falls on this, when the sunlight falls on the land, air above the land heats up. Okay, air above the land heats up. So as the hot air is lighter, this moves upward. It rises up. Okay, this hot air rises up, and the air that is cooler, air that is away from the land was cooler, so that rushes down to occupy this place. So this air is hotter, so it rises up. So the cool air from the up rushes downward to occupy this place. So this causes wind to blow. Okay, this causes wind to blow. So by this, wind blows from here to there and from there to here. Okay, this causes movement in the wind. So here land heats up faster than the water body. When you compare water and land, the land heats up faster than the water body. Hence, air that is above the land heats up quicker than the air that is above the water. So this causes two types of breeze. Okay, this causes two types of breeze. So let us see what are they. First one is sea breeze. Sea breeze. So here this is the ocean and this is the land. When the sun, during daytime, okay, during daytime what happens? Sunlight falls on both water body and on land, doesn't it? Both water body and on land. What happens is land hots up faster. Okay, land heats up faster, so that the air above the land also heats up faster. As the land heats up faster, air above the land heats up. As the hot air is lighter, it rises up. So this air rises up. Now this place is vacant, isn't it? What happens is, air above the sea is cooler, so this cool air rushes to the land to occupy this place. Okay. When during daytime, sunlight falls on both land and water, and land heats up faster. So the air above the land also heats up faster. As it is lighter, it rises up, and air above the sea is cooler. It rushes to the land to occupy this place. So as a result, air or the wind blows from sea to the land. Okay, what happens here? Wind blows from sea to the land. So this is called as sea breeze. Okay, this is called as sea breeze. So it occurs during daytime. So during daytime, land heats up quicker. Hence the air above the land also heats up faster. As it is lighter, it rises upward, and air above the sea is cooler. It rushes to the land. Okay. So this is called as sea breeze. So daytime, the breeze that is moving is called as sea breeze. So because here the wind blows from sea to the land, hence it is called as sea breeze. Another one is called as land breeze. Let us see what is land breeze. Land breeze. Here, during night, so this is land, this is sea. So during night, land cools quicker. Okay, land cools quicker than the water body. So this water body, from morning to evening, because of sunlight, slowly it hotter. Slowly it becomes hotter, and air above the water body is also hot. Okay. During night, what happens? The air above the water body is also hot. From morning to evening, it takes time to become hot. Okay. It will heaten up so that the air above the water body is also hotter. And air above the land becomes cooler quick. Hence, air above the land is cool now. During night, air above the land is cool. So, what happens is, as the air above the water body is hot, it rises up. Okay, it rises up so that this air above the land rushes to the sea to occupy this place. Okay, air from the land rushes to the sea. So, wind blows from land to sea. Hence, it is called as land breeze. Okay, this is called as land breeze. So, here during night, land cools quicker than the water body. So, water above the air above the water body or sea is hotter than the air above the land. So, hot air rises up. Hence, the cool air from the land rushes to occupy this air towards the sea. So, this moving wind is called as land breeze. So, what is land breeze? Air or wind that blows from land to sea is called as land breeze. It occurs at night. And air that blows from sea to land is called as sea breeze. It occurs during daytime. So, this is about two types of winds. So, this is how wind blows and causes changes in the movement. I hope you have understood. Study this chapter and try to learn these things neatly. Thank you.